we're here a lot more than we're at home, especially when it comes to kind of the hours we're awake. When you think of have fun, for me personally, I love I love the rah-rah part. I really enjoy the games and that, but it wasn't something that came natural to me. And I know so many other managers and leaders in the company where it doesn't. So it's something that, spend some time with our leader on, and basically said, look, you don't always have to be the one that's having fun. Just don't be the guy or gal that's taking the fun away. Let the fun happen despite how uncomfortable you may or may not be. There are days, don't get me wrong, there are days in this business that are challenging, but guys and ladies that are just kind of figuring that out for themselves, right? How to create that team. It's not easy. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes a lot of work sometimes at first, because of the team. As soon as they see you make that shift to where you're going to create this fun environment, if it's not natural to you, you just have to keep at it and remain consistent with it. But everybody in the shop, has the ability to lead kind of where they're at. Monica Fox has recently taken over a store in Vegas, one of our largest stores in the Nevada market. She's been in the store now for probably about 2 months, and this is a store that had a lot of challenges. Nobody was having fun. She always has a smile on her face. Doesn't matter the situation she's in. She's always smiling, having a great time, and it's infectious throughout the whole shop. To have that leader shift and have her go in and just, look, I'm not gonna accept where we've been. We're gonna have some fun. It's gonna be weird at first, but they're having a great time, and they just came off one of their best months they've had, and probably ever, but at least for quite some time. You'd be surprised how much more productive a team is when you take the time to have fun with them, and it's just like I said, there's a snowball effect. Once you get that flywheel turning, it's hard to stop it. That's really what resonated to me was, it is the games and that are such an important piece, and a lot of times a catalyst to get a shop really to open up. But it's that every day out in the shop, creating that fun and happy environment, coming to work, being happy to go in, not dreading it, not like, oh boy, here we go again, another day. It's being able to come in, be a part of a team, be a part of the team that wins. You may not always start there, but I promise you, if you start having fun with your team, like Arizona, the results will show up. You have to start and have fun, and I know that's not always the most comfortable thing, but it's amazing the difference. When you're out and you're in a team engagement meeting, and that's what can be the catalyst. When you're at that meeting and you're having a good time, you look over and the new teammate or somebody that may not be as comfortable, you start seeing them engage, you start seeing them smile, and it's game changing for a center.